me see my mom.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
I thought you were going to pick my feet.
I'm gonna pick my feet.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Picking her feet. Folks at home, we have my mom. She's on the computer texting on her little thing there. She's a weirdo. Yes. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
What?
What?
Don't.
Don't. She's texting on her phone. Like a little weird.